Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fade in and fade out video in CapCut. So actually everybody will need to just select that one video that you want to edit on, and after that just go ahead and select it from here, so by just one tap. And as you can see, once we selected our video, an icon appears to us, so it's actually a diamond icon. So everybody just go ahead, tap on it, right, and yeah, go over the right side a little bit on the video, and right there just go ahead and tap again on the diamond icon. Alright everyone, you can also go over the right side and then put another diamond icon right here, and also on the ending of the video. So just go ahead, scroll a bit until the ending of the video, and right there just go and put another diamond right there. So everybody, what we gotta do now, I just want you to go to the first diamond that you put on your video. Just go scroll on the drop down menu, go all the way over the right side, and yeah, until you can see the opacity option. So just tap on it, and right here go all the way over the 0, right, and yeah, and go back to the other diamond, and right there put it to the 100, right, and right here go ahead and put it, let it on the 100, and on the ending or the last diamond go all the way over the 0, right. So just go confirm that, and actually that's how your video will looks like. Okay, so everybody, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.